I'm Mattei from matteirealty.ca. Today we're in the heart of downtown Toronto. We're at 77 Maitland Place, unit number 309. It's an exquisite, large two-bedroom unit that features a very large balcony, renovated kitchen, 2 full baths, and a primary suite you have to see to believe. All this in a building loaded with amenities. Let me show you a few more details. 77 Maitland Place 309 has a gorgeous renovated kitchen that was expanded to provide a bit more room in the area, and as well the foyer features a rough-in laundry. Have a look at the kitchen, the entrance, and the rest of the unit. '77 Maitland Place 309 has many of the features people often search for in the city of Toronto and can't find. It's a spacious unit with a large balcony. It's been updated. The building itself is loaded with amenities. So please, if you'd like to know more or arrange a tour, contact me, Eric Mattei, matteirealty.ca.